Hello students, today we will start chapter number 8, ratio and proportion. First exercise. The first exercise is based on ratio. Ratio means the comparison of two quantities of same kind, and this comparison we will do by division. And because it is a division, so there is no unit for ratio. And the most important thing, the unit should be same. Suppose you are comparing the height of two students, then in that case both the height should be in same unit. Both should be in meter or both should be in centimeter. And A divided by B means we can write it as A ratio B. How we will read it? We can read it as A ratio B, or we can read it as A is to B. This the numerator part. This part we will call the first term of ratio or the antecedent. And this denominator part B we will call second term of the ratio or the consequent. There is a little difference between ratio and fraction. This ratio we can treat as fraction, but difference is that a ratio is the comparison of two units, but fraction is a number, part of whole. So, but remaining parts, when you have to do the comparison of ratios and when you have to find out the equivalent ratio, you have to follow the same way whatever you were doing for fraction. Now we will start exercise 8.1. First question. Express in the simplest form. Simplest form means nothing should be common in numerator and denominator. So 20 ratio 40 we can write as 20 divided by 40. And do the cancellation. 0 to 0 we can cancel. 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. So finally we are getting 1 by 2 or 1 is to 2. Second part, 40 ratio 20. So 40 divided by 20. Do the cancellation. Then 2 1s are 2 2s are. So we have 2 by 1, which we can write as 2 ratio 1. And always remember, first term should be at first place, second term should be at the second place. You cannot interchange these terms. Suppose it is 1 by 2, so you have to write 1 ratio 2. You cannot write it 2 ratio 1. That will be the wrong. Third part, 81 ratio 108. So write it like this. After that, do the cancellation. You can cancel it by 3 table. You can cancel it by 9 table. So I am cancelling here by 9 table. 9 9s are 81. Then 9 1s are 9 and 9 2s are 18. After this, now with the help of 3 table, I can cancel. 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12. So I have 3 by 4, which I can write 3 ratio 4. Fourth part, 98 by 63. This we can cancel with 7 tables. 7 1s are 7 and 7 4s are 28 and 7 9s are 63. Now in between 14 and 9 nothing is common. So 14 ratio 9 is the simplest form of 98 ratio 63. Next question number 2, fill in the blank. You have to fill this missing place and you have to use the property here for equivalent ratio. So equivalent ratio is similar to equivalent fraction. So you can see here denominator is given for both the fraction. If you see here this 21, if you divide by 7, then you are getting 3. So same thing we have to follow for numerator also. So this numerator also we will divide with 7. 14 divided by 7 we will get here 2. So on this gap we will fill with 2. Now you can take first and third, or you can take second and third. So I am taking here second and third. I have 2 by 3, this side I have 6. So 2 if I multiply with 3, then I will get 6. 2 into 3 is 6. So same thing I will follow for denominator also. 3 into 3. 3 into 3 is 9. Next is second part of question number 2. You can see here 18 and denominator is given 6 here. So 18 if you divide with 3, then you will get 6. So same thing we will do for numerator also. This numerator we will divide with 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5. Now we can take second and third, this second and third ratio. So 5 if you multiply with 2, then we are getting 10. 5 into 2, 10. So denominator also we will multiply with 2. 6 into 2, 12. Then with 12 getting 30 is not easy. So we will take 6 and this one. So it is not compulsory you have to take first and third, you have to take second and third. Anyone you can take according to your convenience. Because 6 and 30 are coming in same table. So I will take 6 and 30 in place of 12 and 30. So 6 if you multiply with 5, then you will get 30. So same thing we will do for this also. We will, this numerator we will multiply with 5. 5 into 5, 25. Next question number 3, find the ratio in the simplest form. So here you have to cancel common number from numerator and denominator. First part is given 2.1 meter to 1.2 meter. So first always check the unit, it should be same. If it is not same, then you have to make it same. After this 2.1 to 1.2 we can write like this, and unit no need to write because it will cancel out. One decimal place is here, one decimal place in denominator. So we can remove decimal also, then 21 by 12 we will get. Now these number we can cancel with 3 table, 3 7s are 21 and 3 4s are 12. So simplest form of ratio is 7 is to 4. Next is second part, 19 centimeter to 1.04 meter. So in this case unit is different. This is in centimeter and it is in meter. So first we need to change into same unit. So this meter we can change into centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So it will become 104 centimeter. Now we can write in like this, 91 by 104. And we have to do the cancellation. These number will go by 13 table, 13 7s are 91 and 13 8s are 104. So the simplest form of ratio is 7 is to 8. Third part, 3.5 kg to 250 gram. 3.5 kg and 250 gram. So kg and gram are different unit. So kg we will change into gram. 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So it will become 3500 gram to 250 gram. After changing to same unit, then we can do the cancellation. 3500 by 250. 0 to 0 we can cancel. Now we can cancel with 5 table. 5 5s are 25, 5 7s are 35 and 0 as it is. Then 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5 and 5 4s are 20. So simplest form of ratio is 14 is to 1. Next fourth part, 60 paise to 4 rupee. So rupee we will change into paise. Always bigger unit change into smaller unit, that will be more easy. So 60 paise we will keep as it is, and 4 rupees we can change into paise. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So 4 rupees is equal to 400 paise. Now we can do the cancellation. 60 by 400. 1 0 we can cancel directly. Then 2 3s are 6 and 2 20s are 40. So simplest form of ratio is 3 is to 20. Fifth part, 1 minute to 15 second. Here also minute is bigger, second is a smaller unit. So minute we can change into second. 1 minute is equal to 60 second to 15 second. Then do the cancellation. 60 by 15. 15 1s are and 15 4s are 60. So answer is 4 is to 1. Sixth part, 15 millimeter to 2 centimeter. Centimeter is bigger unit. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So 2 centimeter will be 20 millimeter. Now do the cancellation. 15 by 20. With 3 table we can cancel. We can cancel with 5 table. 5 3s are and 5 4s are. So answer will be 3 is to 4. Next question number 4. The length and the breadth of a rectangular park are 125 meter and 60 meter respectively. What is the ratio of the length to the breadth of the park? So you have to find out here ratio of length to park breadth. So length is given 125 meter and breadth is given 60 meter. Both units are same. Now we can do the cancellation. Here we can cancel with 5 table, 5 1 ja and 5 2 ja, 5 2 ja and 5 5 ja. After this 12, 25 and 12 is not coming in any other table. So 25 ratio 12 is our answer here. Next question number 5. The population of village is 4800. If the number of females is 2160, find the ratio of males to the female. So total population is given and the number of females is given. We can find out the number of males by their difference. So total population is 4800. Number of females 2160. Therefore, the number of males will be subtraction of these two. So, subtract, you will get 4,62640. Now, we have to find out the ratio of males to the female. Means males will come at numerator place and then females will at denominator. So, males to the female we have to find out. Males are here 2640 and females are 2160. Do the cancellation. 0 to 0 we can cancel. Then with 2 table 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja and 2 2 ja. Again 2 1 0 and 8 time. 266 time and 254 time. Then you can cancel with 6 table. 6 11 ja and 6 9 ja. So answer will be 11 is to 9. Next question number 6. In a class there are 30 boys and 25 girls. Find the ratio of number of boys to that of girl. First part. Second part, girls to the total number of student, and third part, boys to the total number of student. So in first part we have to find out boys to girls. So boys are given 30 and girls are given 25. Change into the standard form. Always remember, when you are finding out the ratio, change into standard form or the simplest form. 5 6 ja and 5 5 ja. So answer is 6 is to 5. Now second part, you have to find out girls to the total student. Girls are 25 and total students are 30 plus 25, means boys plus girls. So 25 by 55. Now you can do the cancellation. 5 5 ja and 5 11 ja. So answer is here 5 is to 11. Third part, you have to find out boys to total students. So boys are here 30 and total student just now we have calculated 55. Do cancellation. 5 6 ja and 5 11 ja. So answer is 6 is to 11. Next question number 7. In a year, Reena earns 1,50,000 and saves 50,000 rupees. Find the ratio of first part, money she earned, to the money she saves. So first, earning and saving ratio we have to find out. Earning by saving. She earns 1,50,000 rupees and she saves 50,000 rupees. Do the cancellation. Last 4 zeros you can cancel directly. 5 1 ja 5 and 5 3 ja 15. So answer is here 3 is to 1. Second part, money that she saves to the money she spent. So first we have to find out the spending money. Total she earned 1,50,000 rupees and from that she will save 50,000 rupees. So remaining, it means she is spending 1 lakh rupees she is spending. Now we have to find out the saving divided by spending. So she saved 1 lakh rupees and she saved 50,000 rupees and her spending is 1 lakh rupees. Cancel 4 zeros, we can cancel 5 1s are 5 and 5 2s are 10. So answer is 1 is to 2. So in this video we will do till here. Remaining questions we will do in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.